Hi everyone, I'm Max. I'm one of the retail dietitians here at Nutrition for Longevity. It's no secret that there are some people out there who really love cheese. It's delicious, it brings a nice nutty, savory flavor to a lot of our favorite dishes. But what if you don't include dairy in your diet? There are lots of dairy-free alternatives out there, but often it's best to just make it yourself. With just a few simple ingredients and a common piece of equipment, you can make a very easy, delicious, and nutritious Parmesan cheese alternative right at home. Let's see how it's done.
For this recipe, you'll need nutritional yeast, cashews, a little bit of salt, and Italian seasoning. Place everything in the bowl of a food processor and pulse until it's crumbly.
We're not just highlighting this vegan cheese because it's delicious. It is also packed full of nutrients because every single one of the ingredients brings something special to the table. Let's start with the nutritional yeast. This type of yeast is grown specifically for eating and is packed full of health benefits. For starters, it's loaded with vitamin B12, which is often lacking in a plant-based diet. It's full of other vitamins too, plus antioxidants, which will help reduce inflammation and keep you healthy.
This recipe is great to do in larger batches because it stores really well. This vegan Parmesan cheese alternative will last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator in an airtight container.
The cashews bring a lot to the party too. They're full of heart-healthy fats which may help reduce your cholesterol levels. And they're not far behind the nutritional yeast either on vitamins and minerals, since cashews are a great source of vitamin K and iron. Finally, by making this recipe at home, you're controlling the seasoning, specifically the sodium from salt. This allows you to tailor the recipe to meet your individualized needs. It goes great as a topping on your favorite salads or pastas by bringing that rich, complex flavor. Let us know how you'd use this vegan Parmesan cheese alternative at home. Bye everyone!